Hello everybody, welcome to Romeo and Daniel show. We are still on topic. People make mistake every day or daily. My friends, just they come now, see the way the face be now, and say wetin dey happen. Now say my sister see me, she talk. Now say knock me the talk. Say they come from my brother house. My brother now one of those tough people, all those top people now, you understand? All those men, when be say nothing hard. Anything they want to get, they'll get them. Because you know they hard. Anything when sickness comes, they don't run go abroad. Go treat themselves, oversee every minute, every time. No time to sit down, talk to, advise us, say, see. And no time to sit down, say, tell us, say, how things won't take good for us. But now, when something come, when hook us, all of us gone to one place now. So now you hear, say, the man is sick. As my friend, they say, the man lie down for that. And I tell him, say, waiting they happen, brother. You not travel, go overseas, go treat yourself. And the man can say, no way. I go say, not be like you now. And I know what's another, they found that way. I go say, no way. And the man say, you don't know, say lockdown day. Oh, lockdown? Oh, brother, you see, affect you. I don't know, say, it will affect you. He say, he look down, he look up. He say, brother, they look, and they looking, brother. And I say, okay, now wow. So this God, now, so they do. So now, everybody don't turn to the same now. Nobody go fly, go out. Nobody go anywhere, go there in your house. Because okay, which means now my friend got tell me say this thing think can well. If I say this COVID-19 bring bad things, bring good things. Good thing where bring we say after this COVID-19 finish now, lockdown, everything don't finish. He say go make those people where they on top sit down, put their head together to really find how they prepare the Africa well. Because Africa, we notice say this Africa make a money there and good things there. But we notice say now we they make the place be like say everywhere they wrong, everywhere no good. Whereas it good because you leave your house, you they go outside. If you say outside good past your house, if you prepare that your house well, you go discover that say that your house now good past outside. You they eat food every time outside. Every time you notice the food sweet. If you say get sense, you get brain. You say go think and say, what in this person they cook this food when it be say sweet like this? So that me self go use them, cook for my house. Instead of me go they run, go outside, they eat them now. Not see them. So how would they, my friend can say, I beg, make I use this medium. Tell us, say, make we try. Put their head together. Make them talk how they go prepare that Africa way. So that in case this kind of thing happen again, we go know as we go take hook ourselves. So make them learn the condition where we will prepare our home way. Prepare our house way. So that we know they run. They find where we will run go. Now my friend say make I help. Make I beg them. Make I help and beg them. Make them self see. They can't suffer when we they suffer. So the thing, you know, see and say, all of us don't know where the thing, the pain dey. So now I make and say, make I beg. We're gonna put head together. Make them work everything well. My sisters, my brothers, any best way say, you know, say, you like this talk or you like this video, make you put in comment down below. And not only that one, subscribe so that when another one comes, you go see them immediately.